Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing some more cloud technique resin coasters. I'm filling up my molds about 1/3 of the way with just clear resin. I'm using Silicone art resin off Amazon. And I am going to pour about a 1/2 ounce of resin into this cup here. Not much resin at all. And I know this cup looks crazy. I reuse my cups. I try to reuse as much as I can when it comes to resin art. I'm going to add 30 drops of this Pinata Blanco alcohol ink to this 1/2 ounce of clear resin. I'm going to mix it up well and set it aside. And when you use the Blanco, you want to make sure you shake up that bottle really well before you use it. So I'm just going to give this a nice mix, and we're going to set it aside after it's all nice and mixed, and we're going to use this here in just a few seconds. And I'm going to go in with some Pinata alcohol inks in Passion Purple and Magenta. Here I'm just spraying some 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop bubbles, and I'm just going to add some drops of ink here. Super simple and easy, and I'll link all these products I'm using down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. I like to use the Unicorn art resin for this technique. I would say it's in between a low and medium viscosity resin, so it doesn't have a ton of bubbles, which is nice. And that's it. I just added those few drops of ink, and now we're going to go in with that white that we mixed up and just do some swirly designs. Just like this, super simple and easy. And then I'm going to take a little upside down plastic storage container, cover them up, and we're going to go in 1 hour and do some swirly designs. And here's my little upside down storage container. I use these to keep my pieces dust and debris free while they're drying. This is what they looked like 1 hour later. I thought they almost looked like flowers, which was really cool. I almost left these just like this, but I wanted to go in with my little silicone paintbrush here and do some swirly designs. But I am tempted to try this again and just leave it and see how they turn out, because they totally looked like flowers. Let me know if you guys think they look like flowers down below in the description or in the comments. So after I do my swirls, I'm going to cover them back up and let them dry for 24 more hours. And then we're going to go in and do a glitter backing layer. And I'm going to be using this glitter from Laura's Art Corner. It's a super sparkly twinkle, Persian blue twinkle glitter. It's got some really pretty holographic cuts in there. I know it kind of looks like I had gold in my cup, but I reuse my mixing cups. So there was no gold, it was just clear resin and glitter. So I'm just filling these up, and you guys don't have to fill your molds up all the way to the rim. You can fill them up halfway, 3/4 of the way, however much you want. When I first started out with resin, I always felt like I had to fill it up to the rim or to the very top of the mold, and you don't have to do that. Here I'm just going in with a toothpick around the rim of the coaster, making sure that any little bubbles that might be clinging to the rim get dislodged. I did hit it with my heat gun on low, and here we are the next day, ready to demold them. Here's how they turned out. I think they turned out fun. I am going to try this again and not do the swirls and see if they look like a flower design on the underside, because I thought that kind of looked really fun. And I'm interested to see how they turn out if I just leave it after adding that white. But there is a lot of really awesome texture in here, and that glitter is just so pretty. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you give this a try. I am going to be getting some more alcohol inks from Let's Resin, so I'm going to be trying those out soon too. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video or those videos I'm going to be coming out with soon. This one actually has a lot more fluffy texture than the other one. I just love that twinkle glitter from Laura's. It's so sparkly and beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave me a like and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help out my channel a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.